G'day everyone, it's Chriso. I'm doing a set out of this floor now. So those of you that want to learn how to set out a bathroom floor, I've got the strip drain there. Now what I'm doing is that's where the screen is going to go. So that distance there is 100 mil, and that distance is about 110 mil, allowing for the wall tile to there, because I've wanted the same slope tilting down. So it goes, where's my level? My tilt down is going to look like that. I'm going to come out about 20 mil there, and it's going to 110 there. When I put that wall tile on, it'll be 100. And the same here, I've got to measure out that distance, and I'll be having the same width sloping down, running to 20 mil. Then, to throw a cat amongst the pigeons, where are we? They want to come out like that. Then they want a row of 3 of these suckers. However that goes, something like that. And then I continue the white across, and I think I'll be cutting a bit off that tile there, which is cool. The owners sort of set it out and they started pacing off from this wall, but you can't. You've got to start over there and work yourself out the door. It's not rocket science. And you always work from your waist out in this case, because you're centering everything to the strip drain. So like I said, it's 100 mil, so I'll be cutting it through there. The screen goes over that line. No, hang on. I make it a bit smaller. I go, I make it a bit, yeah, I make the shower a little bit smaller. So I come over to that line, which is 100. That's where the screen goes through there, at 100 out from the strip drain, the end of the strip drain. Same there. And we're laughing. What does it work out to? Tiles coming out here. Yeah, well that's cool, because then my next one is the pattern. I got a skinny bit through there, but no biggie. what's my cut down that end. A bath is going there. The vanity will be going against the wall, so all you see is a bit in the middle. But what does it work out to? 1740. They're 200 tiles, so 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are 1600, so that leaves 140mm cut. Well, that's pretty cool. How does it work out here? Is that correct? Yep. 8 twos are 16, so 1600, and I've got to go to 1740, so it's 140mm cut there. That's cool. Okay, well, ooh, bit of a skinny cut there. How do I get around that? How do I get around that? I don't. Okay, so I don't. The door will be coming against this wall, and if I've got a cut of say 20mm, so be it. I had that in the ensuite as well. What else do I have to take into account? So you won't even, no one will even notice that skinny strip. There's a lot of times there's always one wall that doesn't quite come out the way you want it to, and that's it, but it's only a short wall. And as you're walking in to the bathroom, you're walking in like that, the door's there, you don't even see that, people. You don't even see that small cut of 20mm, but then I've got the tile so it's a 10mm cut. Okay, that you guys decide whether you like that. It's going to be going right through that strip. Okay, I'll see you soon. This is Chriso. Stay with it. I'll come back shortly as I progress, and I'll show you some more. I'll teach you some more. See you soon. Yo.